Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, this is the freebie. It's the free Printable Friday, of course. You get a background which is split into 4 sessions. Now, the idea behind this freebie was to give you 4 kind of like cards bases, or even you can cut them and make little notebooks if you wish. But it's like a background, you can use it as it is. And you can even create a masterboard, or you can cut in 4 different sections. Now, this page here comes from my lovely bundle, which you can find on my website. It's called Colors of Fall, and it's a large bundle. As you guys are aware now, I don't sell kits singles. I group them in 12 bundles, so you guys get the most amazing value for your money. And this bundle here has 67 pages. Yes, guys, 67. And you get all sorts. You get journal pages, embellishment, gift boxes, ephemera, everything. Okay, so if you go to my website, antoniomakes.com, just here on the top, you recognize it because there is a butterfly there. I just give my website a little revamp. So these are the bundles. Okay, so if you click over, without even clicking, it gives you a little preview. Okay, so these are the 12 bundles. That's including my ebook. And with my ebook, you get a free planner as well. So this is the bundles. It's called Colors of Fall. So if you click on it, it's here. Now, if you click on this little arrow there, it shows you all the pages. So I'm just going to make it bigger so you guys can see the papers that you get. There are tags, there are background. What else is in there? There is a gift box, there's a milk carton gift box, pillow boxes, envelopes, all sorts. All my bundles are full of ephemera there. Everything that you need for your crafting. There are even some butterflies and gift boxes, some leaves with all different texture. Look at that background, some more tags. So everything in here is being bolted up to the whopping 67 pages. Okay, let me show you where to find this freebie here, and also all the upcoming freebies that I will be sharing on my channel in the next few weeks. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, now you've seen everything. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up. It really supports with my journey on YouTube, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification say how wonderful I am. So it's truly appreciated. Also, I really appreciate it if you join my VIP lounge, £2 a month. Literally get unlimited creativity and lots of papers. All links are listed down below. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. It means the world to me. Have a fabulous weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.